a rainy day, we continued our Onitsha adventure. Oh my god, you guys, this vlog is filled with a whole lot, from shopping for more beautiful fabrics like crepe, lace, Ankara, to the fight for seats at the bus park in Onitsha, to buying different types of street food again, to seeing another segment of River Niger. This vlog is fun packed and I would love you to sit back, relax and enjoy. So we're about leaving my brother's house for main market, and anytime you're going to the market, it's always better to eat before leaving the house, because you may get there and be so occupied and you won't even have time to eat, and before you know what's happening, your stomach is already biting you. So we got okpa from this woman. She said she's an Enugu woman, and you guys, I don't doubt her, because her okpa is first class, world class okpa. Yeah, and we got pap, that's akamu, from this woman. I was so surprised to see someone who is not Igbo living in Onitsha and speaking Igbo fluently. So for you guys that say that other people from other tribes don't live in eastern Nigeria, it's a lie. There are some of them around and they actually do business and thrive. Then we got this really nice akara from this akara woman. Yeah, my cousin brother said he was not interested in okpa, so he got akara so that he used it to take his own akamu. And after eating, we were off to main markets. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo shell, a giddy name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalu, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri, but currently I'm in the city of Onitsha. According to that, if you all know, the most popular YouTuber in Onitsha. Yeah, I'm in Osha. Jesus. You're going to hear this video. Thank you, Otsu. Otsu is Onitsha. Otsu. Okay, so you guys are currently leaving my brother's place. We are with our bag. Yeah, we're actually going to main market now with Aunt Sylvia again. We're going to main market. We did not finish buying yesterday. I closed that vlog. The previous vlog about Onitsha, I closed it, so I'm starting another one. Anyway, this is going to be a fun vlog. It's going to consist going to main market again, going back to Owerri, and any other relevant thing that happens. You know, there's no dull moment. Chidera Giselle baby on the microphone, so let's dive right into the video. Meanwhile, I'm looking so cute, Skyway. So you guys, I'll see you later. So you guys, this is a part of River Niger. This place is located at Idemili, Onitsha. Yeah, you can see a part of River Niger from here, and some tippers come to suck sand from this segment. I showed this part of Onitsha in one vlog I posted on this channel last year. I'm going to be linking it up. And here's the statue of Ojukwu, and you guys won't believe that it started to rain. Oh my god, like I literally wanted to cry, because I hate going to the market when it's raining. It's always so annoying, but what can we do? We just had to do what we had to do, because we had to leave Onitsha the same day. So at this point, we went to a shop where they sell phone casing. We checked for what we wanted and we didn't see it, so we decided to go to Emeka Ofo Plaza and see if I wanted to get power bank at Emeka Ofo Plaza. So we left the phone case place and we went to Emeka Ofo Plaza. Do you guys know Computer Village in Lagos? Emeka Ofo is the Onitsha version of Computer Village in Onitsha. Yeah, so we went there and Sylvia got what she wanted to get from the Emeka Ofo Plaza. As you can see, there are a lot of shops there, a lot of people repairing phones and gadgets and all of that. And when we're done with Emeka Ofo Plaza, we decided to dive right into the business of the day, which was shopping for tailoring materials. You guys are currently at the Emeka Ofo Plaza, and this rain is not funny. Like, I'm not even finding it funny. Just see my top. It's already getting really wet. Anyways, I have to stop talking now because of copyright. So this was the first tailoring materials shop we got to at main market. This person had a whole lot of customers and he had a whole lot of things that are essential for making clothes. This was another shop, and you guys, the appliques I saw, if you're a tailor here, the appliques I saw in Onitsha main market, Onitsha main market is nobody's mate. And that's on period. It is nobody's mate. Like now, when I go to a market to shop for appliques, I'll just be angry because I feel like all of them are too regular and too common, because the appliques in Onitsha, oh my god. Anyways, went to the Ankara shop and there were a lot of beautiful fabrics. You guys, I believe Ankara is one of the best things that happened to us Africans. Like, African fabric is so fine. African prints. If you are here and you don't have Ankara dresses, like, why? If you don't have a plug, the person speaking to you now is a plug. Just reach out to me on Instagram at Dera_Giselle or through my mail deragiselle@yahoo.com, and you're not going to regret it. What I go, yeah. So after getting the fabrics, we decided to buy food to eat, and I got ofin sala. I did start taking the video on time and I was quite shaky. You know, this is main market and you have to be very careful because if they catch you filming, you're in soup. Then from there we went to get this beautiful lace, and after that we went to shop for ready to wear fabrics because Chidera Giselle baby, anytime she wants to go out, she'll search all her wardrobe but she'll still not see any meaningful clothes. So I was like, okay, let me get some ready to wear fabrics and make some ready to wear for myself, even if I don't know if I will have time to sew it, because most times I buy fabrics and at the end of the day I end up not seeing time to sew the fabrics and they just lie inside my wardrobe like that. God, please help your daughter to sew her clothes. Amen. And yeah, I don't do that for customers' clothes. So yeah, I make my clients' clothes, like, because I'm myself and I know that I cannot get angry at myself. I can disappoint myself if I don't have the time. So most times I end up sewing my clients' clothes and I shift my clothes one side, except it's urgent. But I pray I have the time and I actually consciously make an effort to make these clothes after spending on fabrics. And after that, went to shop for some jewelry, and at this jewelry place I was able to get the look of main market around 5 p.m 5:30 p.m in the evening, when a lot of people are already going home. And this was a Saturday, so you know, a lot of people from different parts of Nigeria would have come to shop at main market. So I just managed to get this short clip. Okay guys, good morning. So how are you guys doing? Oh my god, I can't even believe I'm looking this fresh this morning, because yesterday night my was tired, like I was totally exhausted. Anyways, we are going back to Owerri right now. As in right now, our bags are packed, so we'll be on our way to meet Auntie Sylvia, because the things we bought are still with her. So we'll go meet her, then from there we'll go to the park and all of that. And I just came here to show my face, and to tell you guys what's up. So you guys, we got to Goodness and Mercy Park, Opiweka, Onitsha at this point, and we met a huge shock. Buses going to Owerri were very scarce on this day, and there were so many passengers. You guys should just help me and be thanking Auntie Sylvia, because she really came through for us. Like, she was even fighting for seats for us at some point, but at the end of the day, a bus came and Chidera Giselle baby on the microphone, the fighter. I fought for seats. I did not just get one seat, I got 3 seats, one for for myself, one for Uche, and one for our loads. Like, you guys may see I may look soft, but oh my god, in things like this. Anyways, I'm a Lagos girl. I was giving birth to in Lagos, so I should know how to struggle for seats. Yeah, so we got into the bus, and you guys, from our bus I could see another bus where people were struggling to enter inside. And oh my god, you guys should see this small girl. This man had to put her inside the bus through the window because her mother already got a seat, but she couldn't fight for the seat while holding the girl, so she had to enter first, and somebody passed the girl inside the bus through the window. It was so crazy. Like, it was that crazy. Anyways, on our way to Imo State, at the boundary between Anambra and Imo, they said we should come down and use our legs to cross the boundary. I still don't understand the logic behind that thing, and I even thought it ended during NSAS. I don't know why. I mean, during the agitations in May. I don't know why they're still doing it now. Anyways, we got to Owerri safely, and we thank Jehovah. Hello, Auntie. Are you able to go Owerri? I know na Goodness and Mercy Park. Which is the drop. And thank you so much. I'll call you when we reach home. You guys, let me show you the time. This is can you see it? 6:38. We left Opiweka by 3:20. And sorry, I'm trying to call my mom. I just finished speaking to Aunt Sylvia on call. I want to call my mom and let her know that we're already in Owerri. Gosh, I think I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. My sister went to look for drop, so when the drop comes, we'll be on our way back home. Hello, Misko. I did fine though. We did Goodness and Mercy Park Owerri. Jesus, when you're label, bro. This bad road, 2 trailers fell left and right, 2-way. Ngbidi, left and right, Ofu that are left, Ofu that are right, the same spots on the 2 expressway. Yeah, so you guys, baby girl is back to Owerri. I'm back and grinding and hustling as usual. As you can see the tape on my neck, I'm about making a dress and filming a video at once. Yeah, so you guys, Onitsha was wild. Hey, if you're a dollar, Onitsha is not for you, honestly. Like, I saw craze, and if you want to answer everybody that annoys you in Onitsha, your voice is going to go. You're going to lose your, in fact, I don't even know how to say it. Like, Onitsha is not for the weak. Anyways, you guys, I want to unbox this. Yeah, a tripod. I think I'm going to use it and film my video today. That's if I'm able to set it up. Yeah, I told Aunt Sylvia to help me get it about 2 months ago or 3 months ago, but I've just not been able to get it. So I just used this opportunity of going to Onitsha to Kuku get it. So this is it. I've already opened here. So wow, this packaging is dope. Can you guys see this? Yeah, so let's open this and see how the tripod looks. I'm so excited because I've been using my ring light tripod. That's what I'm using currently. My ring light has spoiled, but it's too bulky to be carrying around, like carrying ring lights, because of the tripod. So I just decided to get this one. Wow, here's the phone holder, and here is the tripod. It came with a manual, I think. Yeah, but let me, wow, I can use this for a camera. I don't have a camera yet, but I know that God is going to do it for me at the right time. For now, my phone is 7, it's purpose. So how do I fix this? I don't know. How do they do this? Yay, this is giving me camera vibes. So okay, it's 360. Where do I fix my phone holder? I don't know. I think it's here. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay, and even the phone, this thing is, I can move it, and I can move this one to wherever I want it to be. When it gets to where I want, I tighten it. Like, it's so easy to use and so affordable. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, can you see this? Can you see? Oh, let me go and film my video with happiness today. And it's very long. Oh yeah, nah. It's very long, like super long. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love ya.